figure, ABFG and CDEF are squares. And BDG is a triangle. Okay, where's BDG? Is here. BDG is a shaded triangle. GF is 12 cm, FE is 18 cm. Find the shaded area. Now we have a series of two squares here, and we have the length of each square. So we have 12 by 12, and the bigger one is 18 by 18. Alright, so to do this question, to find the area of the shaded part, which is this particular triangle over here, we can find the area of the two squares, add them up together, and minus away these unshaded triangles. Ding, 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 ding. Okay, so yeah, let's do that. Area of square, the smaller one first. A, B, F, G. That will be 12 by 12, 12 times 12. That will be 144 square cm. Alright, and then the area of the bigger one, FEDC, that will be 18 by 18, 18 times 18, which is going to be 324 square cm. And then we add them up together, 144 plus 324, 468. Okay, so again, that is the total area of both squares. And we'll take that minus away this triangle here, which is triangle ABG. That will be half times base times height, right? Half times 12 times 12 equals to 72 square cm. Alright, and then the bigger triangle here, triangle GED, half times the base is 12 plus 18. That will be 30, so half times 30 times the height here is 18. Times 18, that would be 270 square cm. Yes, one more area to find, which is this smaller one here at the top, CDB. Half times the base is pretty straightforward, that's 18. Times the height is the difference between 18 and 12. 18 minus 12, that will be the height of this small triangle. 18 minus 12, that will be 6. Okay, so times 6. $54. And we add these three unshaded triangles. Okay, so that will be 72 here. The bigger one is 270, and the smaller one we just found, 54. Add them up together. 72 plus 270 plus 54. 72 plus 270 plus 54, 396 square cm. And we take the total area which we had earlier, minus this off. Final answer for this question is 72 square centimeter.